Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Spain deploys CRO counter-drone system to Lithuania to support drone defense on NATO's eastern flank. Spain has deployed its CRO counter-UAS unmanned aircraft system to Lithuania to support the detection, surveillance and neutralization of drones posing potential threats to military units and infrastructure. The deployment is intended to strengthen air defense and protection measures on NATO's eastern flank. The consistent decision Spain makes to advance air defense in the Baltic region is a clear demonstration of political will and NATO's collective defense commitment, said Lithuanian Minister of National Defense Robertas Corners. He added, such steps taken by the Allies strengthen deterrence, send an unmistakable signal of alliance unity, and are crucial for the security of Lithuania and the entire eastern flank. The systems deployed at the Lithuanian Air Force Base in Šiauliai are operated by the Lobo tactical unit of the Spanish Air and Space Force, with a 9-person team conducting constant monitoring of designated airspace. Their mission is to protect the eastern NATO border against unidentified drones and balloons. The CRO system combines radars, surveillance cameras, sensors and electronic warfare devices to act as a protective shield over critical infrastructure, airports and military units. Spain is also leading the 70th NATO air policing mission in Lithuania, with Spanish Air Force F-18 jets operating from the Šiauliai airbase in support of the rotational NATO air defense model. According to Indra, CRO is a flexible and scalable counter-unmanned aerial system designed to detect, track, identify and neutralize a wide range of drone threats. The company states that the system is interoperable with NATO standards and can be deployed in fixed, mobile or portable configurations to protect military bases and other critical sites. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.